Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is for my United States only folks. But real quickly, before we dive in, if you're new to this channel, we are all about the work from home life here and work from home life balance. So on the daily, I share all of the best work from home job leads that I found while searching the internet. So make sure you're subscribed so you never miss another upload from me. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company Transcom. They are hiring a customer service advisor for their mobile devices and services department. Now, real quickly, I'll just start off the bat by saying this is for my United States folks only, and they do hire in select states. The states are listed right here, and this will be linked in the description box below. They are looking for someone who can engage with callers, actively listen, analyze their needs, and provide solutions. They want someone who can navigate multiple applications and do research for the callers at the same time, and someone who can work independently. Now, they do not require very much experience at all. They require you to be at least 18 years or older, have a high school diploma, and be able to pass a background check. They also want someone who can be dedicated and work full-time 32 to 40 hours per week and strictly stick to their schedule, working whatever shifts are assigned to them, including evenings, weekends, and holidays. They do want someone who can actively listen and multitask. However, they say previous call center experience is preferred but not required. So you really can have very little experience as long as you meet the basics of being at least 18 and have that high school diploma. Now, as far as what's in it for you, they offer $16 an hour starting pay with additional performance-based incentives each month. They do offer benefit package including medical, dental, vision, 401k. They provide all computer equipment you need for you. So this is great for someone who wants to work from home but does not have a home office setup. They give you all the computer equipment. You just have to have the internet connection. You will be a employee, a W-2 employee, and not an independent contractor. Of course, they also include paid vacation, and this is 100% work from home. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And as always, please feel free to leave anything specific you are looking for in the comments because I always read that and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.